In this tutorial, you'll learn how to hide your menu bar while you scroll down. This video is also a piece of my full course on Udemy. The course is called Learn How to Build an App Similar to YouTube. For more information, look on the description below. Now let's get started. Okay, so here's an example of what you're going to see at the end of this video. You're going to learn how to make this scroll down, and you can bring it back up. So when you scroll down, it hides it, and you can bring it back up. So at the end of this lecture, you're going to learn how to do this. Okay, let's get started with hiding the navigation menu bar under the status. Okay, so where we're going to do that is in setup menu bar. So it's pretty simple to do. All you'll need to do is navigation controller, make an optional dot hide. So you see your different options. We're gonna hide it on swipe and set it equal to true. And now let's build and run that. So there, when we move it down, it hides it. Now the only problem is it doesn't really pin it to our status bar. So the way we can do that is let's remove this bar, the vertical bar, so it doesn't become pinned under the status bar. So let me see how that runs. So we remove the top anchor of the vertical just so it can move it. So now let me run it. So now it's not pinned to there. So now the next thing we want to do is we want to pin our icons right under the status bar so it can be it looks kind of unprofessional, to tell the truth. So let's find a way to fix that. So to do that, we're going to use the top layer guide. Oh, not ROP. Use top, and you see the top layer guide, it indicates the highest vertical extent for your screen content. So this is what we're going to be using. So first, let's put menu bar dot top anchor dot constraint equal to anchor. Then we're going to input our top layer guide dot bottom anchor, and we're going to set it to active and set it equal to true. So now let's see how that runs. That will fix our problem. Okay, so now when we move it down, it pins it to our status bar. Good job, guys. But now, if you see, when you move it up and down there, it leaves a little space. It gives us a little space when we do that. You see how the space was a white space. So what we're going to do is we're going to make that space that shows up. We want to turn that into red. We want to turn it into this color red. Where do we have it? I think in our where do we have it saved? Under menu bar. Yeah, we're gonna change it into this color right here. So let me copy and paste this for now, and let's go back to our home view controller, go back to our setup menu bar, and let's add that in. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, right here. Okay, sorry. So now let's add a UI view and call it red view. Set it equal to UI view class. So then red view background color is going to equal to this color. Okay. So now let's add red view to our subview. So add subview and add red view. And now let's make the constraints for that white space to be shown as red. So add constraint with formats. We're gonna have the horizontal is gonna go to the left end of the iPhone, and that's a 0. To the right end of the iPhone, the view is gonna be the red view, and then we're gonna add a vertical constraint, and we're gonna add a constraint, and that's gonna be the v brackets v0 50 pixels. Oh, sorry. Parentheses 50 pixels, close parentheses, square bracket, close comma, and red view. Okay, so now let's see how that works and see if that fixes our problem. Okay, so there you have it. So now it has our navigation menu bar is hidden whenever we scroll down, and it pulls back up whenever we scroll back up to the top. So this is how the finished product is going to look like. So it looks like a YouTube app, doesn't it? So you're going to learn how to create the menus, and all these have a button. So all of them have a title, home, trending, subscription, and account. You're going to learn how to make the icons, and then the setting pop up and teach you how to pop that up like that. So, and you can also scroll through because it is a collection view. And then when you click on here, it'll play a video just like this. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. So if you click on the link below, it's going to bring you to here. And right now I'm having a 50% off, and there's only 30 of these left. So be quick about it. Be quick. Click on the link and take my course. So thank you for watching this video.